Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to use Todoist for content marketing workflows. This is your complete 2025 guide to streamlining your content production and staying organized. Our first step is setting up your Todoist project. In Todoist, a project is like a folder where you organize related tasks. Let's create a new project and call it Content Marketing. This is where you'll store all tasks related to your content marketing strategy. This step is crucial because it helps keep your workflow organized and easy to manage. Next up, we're adding tasks to the project. Think about all the stages of content creation: brainstorming, writing, editing, publishing, and promoting. Create a task for each of these stages. The reason we do this is to break down the content creation process into manageable steps, making it easier to follow through. Now that we've done that, let's start using labels. Labels in Todoist are like hashtags. They help you categorize your tasks. For example, label brainstorming tasks as ideas, writing tasks as drafts, and so forth. This helps us because it allows us to sort tasks quickly and find what we need in seconds. Now we'll assign due dates. Todoist allows you to set deadlines for tasks. Make sure to assign due dates for each task based on your content calendar. It's important to do this because it helps you stay on track, meet your content deadlines, and avoid last-minute rushes. Finally, let's talk about comments and files. For each task, Todoist provides a section for comments and files. Here, you can make notes about the task, upload relevant files, or add links. This is a fantastic way to keep all relevant information in one place, making it easier to work on each task. So, we've set up a project, added tasks, used labels, assigned due dates, and utilized the comments and files feature. These are the key steps to using Todoist for content marketing workflows. And that's a wrap. By implementing this system, you'll be able to streamline your content marketing process, stay organized, and increase productivity. Thank you for joining me today, and stay tuned for more practical guides.